What's up, guys? So I decided to make a video on a whole vacuum line overview for the 4.0, and just to help you guys out. So after this little cut, there's going to be a little diagram you could go off of if you don't want to watch the whole video. But it replaces all the vacuum lines, the breather hoses, except that one back there. It does all your vacuum. Like this is all part of your vacuum lines. You have 3 down there, 1, 2, 3. You have this one right here, here, and here. This whole part is like your vacuum system. 1999 to 2001. The evap canister that's here, that's also vacuum operated, but you'll usually get a code for that. It does your brake booster, and then it goes all the way under, over there. There, there's a another little vacuum thing that connects to your thing. It's right there. That piece right there, that's part of your vacuum. That goes into the vacuum system for your HVAC, the manual system. Rolls under and goes right under the left headlight. So that's just a quick version. That's gonna be right after the intro. So I'm just editing this in.